Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My crafting idea for today involves these little quilt squares that I found at Walmart. My plan is to create some fabric carrots today. So let me show you what's in this bag here. We are supposed to have 20 pieces, 5 designs in 4 each of those designs, and they are 5 by 5 inches. So we've got the one with the floral, got a blue one with some yellow dots, that one is teal with some orange medallions. And there's this one, it's white with gold line diamonds. And then this one is orange with, I don't know, looks like feathers, or it could just arrows going one direction or the other. And I hope that you will join me today. I'm going to start with this blue one here. I need a triangle shape. I'm just going to fold this in half, and then I think I'm going to maybe leave about ½ an inch there, and then just cut to this corner there. Like that. So that's what my piece looks like. And then go ahead and turn this inside out, and then just stitch up. Or you can stitch if you like, or you can just use some hot glue, fabric glue, and close that. I'm going to sew mine with thread, but let me show you this. Dollar Tree does sell the little sewing kits. They're so adorable. It comes with thread, needles, and it even has its own little scissors. Look at that. Oh goodness. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to sew mine up. I'll go ahead and I'm just going to do a running stitch on mine. And just do that all the way around the open edge. And I'm going to do a couple of back stitches here just to, so my thread does not, if I happen to pull on my thread, my thread does not gather the fabric. So it should look something like this. And then do one more stitch, and then I'll go ahead and tie that off. And then go ahead and turn this right side out. Okay, once you've sewed the seam there, go ahead and fold it so the seam runs on the back like that. And then we're just ready to stuff this with some batting. Go ahead and stuff that. I have a little skewer here. Just push the batting all the way down to the tip. Now that you have your batting in there, go ahead and get your needle and thread, and then do a couple of back stitches right here by the seam. Go ahead and leave about a 3-4 inch tail. You may have to do a couple of back stitches just to catch your thread. Okay, and then go ahead and push the batting down, and then just do a running stitch all the way around the edge of the fabric there. And then when you come back to the seam, see, move the threading over. Go ahead and pull on the thread. Push your batting back down if you need to. You should gather your fabric like that. Go ahead and hold that, and then put in a couple of back stitches. That's just to catch your thread, so your gathered fabric does not unravel. There we go. And then go ahead and just take that loose thread in there and then tie off your thread, and put a couple of knots in there if you need to. And then I'm just going to leave this threading attached for a minute here. Okay, push that aside, and let me show you. I have this this is paper, that twist paper. You can definitely unroll it if you like. You can create your own if you need to. Just take the fabric and then just twist that. What I'm going to do is use this for my carrot, the leaves on the carrot, like that. So I'm going to need about, I'm going to do about 4 inches, and I'm just going to just fold this back and forth to the how much greenery I want on my carrot. Maybe one more. So about maybe right there, 4. That's a good amount. And cut that off. Now what I want to do is take some glue and take some of that glue and just work it in there. You can use hot glue gun if you like, just to catch all the material that you're using for your leaves together, just to hold it together like that. I'm going to give it a twist so it stays like that. Now I'm going to take the glued end and open up my carrot just a little bit in there, and then stuff my leaves in there. You can push the rough edging on your carrot inside the carrot itself if you like, or you can just leave it open like that. Leave it out. I think that gives it character. So here we go. Fiddle with it just a little bit. Get that carrot in there, or not the carrot, but the leaves in there. It should look somewhat like this. I'm going to take my threading. There's that end piece. I'm just going to run my needle back and forth through here a couple of times just to help catch my leaves. You may need a hard surface to help your needle push through that paper there. Okay, and then take your thread and wrap it a couple of times. And then take the other end piece there and tie that off again. Pull it tight. There we go. And then just trim off your thread there. Now, see, that's what it looks like now. Now I'm going to take and trim down all these loops. I don't need the loops on there. Trim the edging off. There we go. Look at that. A carrot. Cute little carrot. Okay, now I'm going to make some more. I want to use the floral print will be good, and then alright, let me show you my carrots. Here is the one with the floral print. And then this one is the one with the diamonds. There's the orange one. And the blue one with the yellow dots. I hope that I have inspired you to create your own fabric carrots for the Easter event coming up, and then also you can use your carrots as part of your spring decoration and also your summer decorations. Thank you for watching Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.